First, breaking news from Woodland Hills, where we've learned Kaiser is postponing surgeries because the hospital doesn't have any running water.
KCAL 9's Jeff Nguyen is there live with details on this developing situation. Jeff, what can you tell us?
Well, just like Chris and you just mentioned, surgeries have been canceled for tomorrow. In the meantime, however, the emergency department here as well as urgent care will remain open. And the reason for that, take a walk with me right now. You can see that there is a construction site right there. Crews have been working to fix this broken water main on Burbank Boulevard just west of DeSoto Avenue. Kaiser Permanente says that led to the shutoff of running water at the hospital. Now, we spoke to some hospital visitors as well as staff members who told us the tap here went dry yesterday and things have not returned to normal. The hospital says emergency water has been brought in. Workers here as well as visitors say that's just another way of saying that bottled water has been trucked in. Another problem that we've been hearing about are the restrooms. A number of people pointed us to the porta-potties that have replaced the restroom. We found them sitting outside the emergency room. Earlier, we spoke to Mike Gutierrez, whose mom is being treated here for a broken leg.
She does have some wounds where they put the screws, where there's dressing, but in a place like a porta potty, it's very easy to catch something, or for infections, to grow. Just a little bit of outraged, confused, as to why they're making her use a porta potty.
Kaiser Permanente sent us a statement that read in part, because it is not clear when the repair will be completed and running water restored, all primary care appointments are canceled for tomorrow, January 20th. And right now, Kaiser tells us that people's appointments that have been canceled will be contacted by the hospital itself. For now, we are live in Woodland Hills. Jeff Nguyen, KCAL 9 News.
Let's hope they fix this issue quickly. Jeff, thank you.